Look at how long this is. Hi everyone, today I'll be making instant noodles. First, you have to boil some water. So I'm going to pour all this water into the pot. This is 500 milliliters, half a liter. So you want to pour half a liter of water into the pot. Now I'm going to turn it to high to let it boil. So I'm probably going to use 3 pieces of crab meat. I'm going to take them out of the plastic. Wait, what? Okay, it has to boil now. I'm turning on the vacuum. I'm a little scared because I turned it down to medium. So I need a scissor. Okay, so now the package is open. There are a couple things in it. So there's some sauce, and there's the actual instant noodles. What you want to do is grab the big box of instant noodles and put it in. Look at how much steam is coming out. There are 2 other things in it. This is the taste of it, and this is some other spices. I'm going to unwrap some of the crab meat now. And now I'm going to add some frozen beans in.
Did Mommy has the cover last time?
No clue.
I didn't. You don't need it.
I'll take it off. Put it there. I'm now going to add some crab meat. This is frozen. It does not have plastic on it. What if I use the crab meat to stir instead of a spoon? I'm now going to mix it a little bit and turn the heat up a little bit because I turned it to medium. Rock solid.
Can you add a little bit more veggies, please?
Sure, seeing as this is yours.
Everything in, all the frozen beans.
All?
Yeah.
Exactly how many beans do you want?
All of them, please.
I'm going to grab it, Mammy. That is a lot of beans.
And are you going to give me the actual crab meat, please?
Do you want?
Yeah.
Wait, sure. Other crab meat in. Egg.
Sure.
Do I crack it here?
Yeah. Harder.
Now I'm going to turn off the heat and start mixing it. Look, the egg is being cooked.
Looks yummy to me.
Now I'm going to add some of the actual taste of it for a moment to the instant noodles. So you see all this black stuff? That's the spices. You can hit it so that the spices fall down. What is this? The sauce?
This is the, I don't know, oily stuff?
It currently smells good, but I want to spread the sauce out throughout. Okay, so now I'm going to add the other stuff.
This bag is salt.
This?
Yeah.
Why don't we add our own salt? How's that salt?
Okay, maybe it's not salt. It's something else.
I'm now going to mix it, and I'm just going to add the last piece. Maybe this is salt. Yes, this is probably salt.
That's the spicy stuff.
Okay, so that means there was no salt in this. It's called chili powder. This is the mixing bowl, so it may still have some tiny specks of flour in it. That is a lot of smoke. Steam. Gonna mix it up a little more to make it look better.
It's too hot.
Look at how much steam there is. I want to eat it, but I'm not.
So how long do we need to wait?
Maybe 15 minutes.
3,000 whoop-hoos later.
The spices I put in actually worked. After maybe 20 minutes of waiting, it's still warm. The noodles taste good. Now let's try the beans. They also taste good.
I thought you cooked for me.
Can I taste it first?
It's not a taste. You almost finished half.
Half? I'm never close to that.
For only one egg.
And I ate half of that. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the... Is it dropping? Click the like button below. See you next time. Bye!